Kindly like, subscribe and comment to get daily updates. Tarun Radhakrishnan Tahilyani, promoter, disposed 340 shares of ASAHI India Glass worth 61.79 thousand rupees via market sale. Manoj Abrewal, designated person, disposed 1.38 thousand shares of four small finance bank worth 10.01 lakh rupees via a market sale. Rajiv Nayan Bajaj, promoter and director, acquired 16.80 thousand shares of Bajaj Auto worth 5.05 crore rupees via market purchase. Ajay Bhagwat, promoter, disposed 10.64 lakh shares of Birlasoft worth 14.69 crore rupees via interstate transfer. Ashwani Bhagwat, promoter group, disposed 43.30 thousand shares of Birlasoft worth 59.78 lakh rupees via interstate transfer. Chinmay Pandit, promoter group, disposed 20.00 thousand shares of Birlasoft worth 27.61 lakh rupees via interstate transfer. Nirmala Pandit, promoter group, disposed 2.39 lakh shares of Birlasoft worth 3.30 crore rupees via interstate transfer. S. B. Ravi Pandit, promoter, disposed 10.03 thousand shares of Birlasoft worth 13.84 lakh rupees via interstate transfer. Shri Krishna Patwardhan, promoter, disposed 4.54 lakh shares of Birlasoft worth 6.27 crore rupees via interstate transfer. The Hindustan Times, promoter, acquired 20.00 thousand shares of CHAMBAL fertilizers and chemicals worth 31.62 lakh rupees via market purchase. Bimla Rani, director's immediate relative, acquired 91.37 thousand shares of Capital Trade Links worth 2.87 lakh rupees via market purchase. Krishan Kumar and Sons Huff, promoter, acquired 2.14 lakh shares of Capital Trade Links worth 6.70 lakh rupees via market purchase. Dinesh Jain, designated person, acquired 83.75 thousand shares of FIRSTSOURCE Solutions worth 34.47 lakh rupees via ESOP. RGCHANDRAMOGAN, promoter and director, acquired 1.32 lakh shares of HATSUN AGRO product worth 8.98 crore rupees via market purchase. Anand Ashok Mathur, designated person, disposed 950 shares of HDFC Bank worth 10.02 lakh rupees via a market sale. Anand Hiralal Dusane, designated person, disposed 5.00 thousand shares of HDFC Bank worth 52.15 lakh rupees via a market sale. Anand Mankodi, designated person, disposed 8.50 thousand shares of HDFC Bank worth 89.14 lakh rupees via a market sale. Anand Sankararaman, designated person, disposed 60.00 thousand shares of HDFC Bank worth 6.23 crore rupees via a market sale. Ashish Punnuz Ibrahim, designated person, disposed 5.00 thousand shares of HDFC Bank worth 52.18 lakh rupees via a market sale. Bindu Madhav P. Tikekar, designated person, disposed 1,000 shares of HDFC Bank worth 10.50 lakh rupees via a market sale. Debajit Das, designated person, disposed 2.00 thousand shares of HDFC Bank worth 20.87 lakh rupees via a market sale. Madhav Kumar Kamani, designated person, disposed 1.87 thousand shares of HDFC Bank worth 19.61 lakh rupees via a market sale. Mirajuddin, designated person, disposed 3.00 thousand shares of HDFC Bank worth 31.24 lakh rupees via a market sale. Natarajan R, designated person, disposed 5.00 thousand shares of HDFC Bank worth 52.45 lakh rupees via a market sale. Pramod Harishchandra Pai, designated person, disposed 900 shares of HDFC Bank worth 9.32 lakh rupees via a market sale. Sangeeta Sanka, designated person, disposed 1.50 thousand shares of HDFC Bank worth 16.16 lakh rupees via a market sale. Sanjay Nagpal, designated person, disposed 6.00 thousand shares of HDFC Bank worth 62.18 lakh rupees via a market sale. Siddhanshu Mitra, designated person, disposed 5.00 thousand shares of HDFC Bank worth 52.30 lakh rupees via a market sale. Gopal Bansal, promoter and director, acquired 4.82 lakh shares of India FINSEC worth 30.41 lakh rupees via market purchase. Gopal Bansal Huff, promoter group, acquired 3.95 lakh shares of India FINSEC worth 24.92 lakh rupees via market purchase. Sunita Bansal, promoter's immediate relative, acquired 3.70 lakh shares of India FINSEC worth 23.35 lakh rupees via market purchase. Infosys Employee Benefits Trust, disposed 89.49 thousand shares of Infosys worth 8.40 crore rupees via a market sale. Shaji Matthew, designated person, disposed 500 shares of Infosys worth 4.80 lakh rupees via a market sale. Rohit Bajaj, employee, disposed 4.50 thousand shares of Indian Energy Exchange worth 8.09 lakh rupees via market sale. Dhirendra Mohan Gupta, promoter group, acquired 10.00 thousand shares of JAGRAN PRAKASHAN worth 3.80 lakh rupees via market purchase. Tarun Gupta, promoter group, acquired 10.00 thousand shares of JAGRAN PRAKASHAN worth 3.81 lakh rupees via market purchase. Gopal Bhai H. Shingala, promoter group, acquired 85.00 thousand shares of Jigar Cables worth 0 rupees via INFOSYS transfer. Gopal Bhai H. Shingala Huff, promoter group, disposed 85.00 thousand shares of Jigar Cables worth 0 rupees via INFOSYS transfer. Amit Chadha, director, disposed 2.85 thousand shares of L&T Technology Services worth 44.26 lakh rupees via a market sale. VRAJVIRDHAN, promoter and director, disposed 34.95 thousand shares of L.G.BALAKRISHNAN and Bros. worth 75.09 lakh rupees via market sale. Alok Garg, promoter and director, acquired 31.56 lakh shares of MEDI-CAPS worth 18 rupees via gift. Ramesh Chandra Mittal, promoter and director, disposed 31.56 lakh shares of MEDI-CAPS worth 18 rupees via gift. Akila Krishna Kumar, promoter group, disposed 18.00 thousand shares of MINDTREE worth 2.05 crore rupees via a market sale. Max Ventures Investment Holdings Private, promoter, disposed 61.00 lakh shares of Max Financial Services worth 324.77 crore rupees via a market sale. Atul Lal, employee's immediate relative, acquired 83.31 thousand shares of Max Ventures in Industries worth 22.68 lakh rupees via market purchase. HARSHBEEN Zaveri, promoter and director, acquired 62.49 thousand shares of NRB Bearings worth 48.97 lakh rupees via market purchase. Villasgate, designated person, disposed 3.00 thousand shares of Persistent Systems worth 28.26 lakh rupees via a market sale. Subrantanag, connected person, acquired 16.10 thousand shares of Quess Corp worth 42.01 lakh rupees via ESOP. J. Rajaraman, other, disposed 900 shares of Reliance Industries worth 19.41 lakh rupees via a market sale. CHETA and ABENS Shah, promoter and director, acquired 3.10 thousand shares of SACHETA Metals worth 46,000 rupees via market purchase. Satish Kumar K. Shah, promoter, acquired 3.25 thousand shares of SACHETA Metals worth 48.65 thousand rupees via market purchase. SURYA ROSHNI Employees Welfare Trust, promoter group, acquired 1.24 lakh shares of SURYA ROSHNI worth 1.56 crore rupees via market purchase. Abhijit Lahiri, designated person, disposed 2.40 thousand shares of Tech Mahindra worth 15.89 lakh rupees via market sale. Harshwendra Sung, designated person, disposed 4.00 thousand shares of Tech Mahindra worth 26.29 lakh rupees via a market sale. Kshitij Kumar, designated person, disposed 500 shares of Tech Mahindra worth 3.60 lakh rupees via a market sale. TBSRIKKANTH, designated person, acquired 2 shares of V-Guard Industries worth 333 rupees via market purchase. Biplab, designated person, disposed 18.35 thousand shares of WIPRO worth 51.69 lakh rupees via market sale.